Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the language settings on an Epson XP4205. Now this is nice and simple. We're done for the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the printer. Now whilst my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make all of the button presses I make very clear so you can follow this guide regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you would like it changed to. So first of all, we need to start from the home page of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, just press that button to be returned here. Now, we're going to press on the right hand arrow here to move ourselves along from the position of copy. So we're going to press once, twice, 3 times until settings is selected. And we press OK. And then once we're in this menu, we need to go down to basic settings, which is the second option down. So the top one selected, we press down once and then we press OK. And then as you can see, language is the third one down. So we press down once, twice, and then OK. And then you've got a full list of the languages your printer uses here. So just use the up and down arrows to navigate around, find the one you want, press OK, and you are done. Now, I hope you found this short guide useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, chuck it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.